صابرينا وزاني. I'm Sabrina Razani, and I accept my everything I am, everything I came, Algeria, France, my culture, la richesse. So I am Sabrina Razani, an artist, libre, free.
I just feel what I am right now, and I think I'm. What am I? I don't know. It's such a big question.
A beautiful, smart woman.
Thank you.
J'ai bien dit smart, j'ai pas dit que belle.
Bien sûr.
صابرينا وزاني، منى سويلم، بطلات فيلم دينا عامر الذي عرض في مسابقة أيام المخرجين في فينيسيا، ويتنافس على هذه الجائزة، ويتحدث عن حالة مهمة للغاية مرت بها أوروبا وفرنسا، حالة الأجانب وعلاقة الأجانب مع المجتمعات التي يعيشون فيها. You resemble me، أنت تشبهيني أو أنت تشبهني، هو عنوان الفيلم الذي عرض في المهرجان. و you are both working, let me say, on the same character. You seem the same character in the film, and you are representing a situation, not only persons, but a situation which millions of Arabs, Muslims lives in Europe, in America, also in Arab countries. So it is not about religion, it is not about ideology, it is about human being and the identity of the human beings in those countries. How you related, you both, how you related to those two characters and the other characters of the film. It's a tough film. It is a not simple film to be done, even physically. It is very tough, but you faced it and you did it. Tell me about that.
I related a lot about this feeling of rejection and abandonment. Yeah, whether you are the one who's being abandoned or somebody who already rejected others, I think it's a feeling we can all relate into. And in my own experience, this is something. This kind of feelings are very physical in me, and I think this is how also I connected with this character, with this frantic energy, this fragmented energy that my character had. This is something that I related the most, really. So I found kind of this fragmented mental state in her body.
For me too, I think it was the feeling of the reject. When I was young, I didn't know who I am, who I supposed to be. If I am French, if I am Arabic, I didn't speak Arabic. My parents didn't learn me this lovely language.
This is always a parents' fault.
Yeah, I was comment on dit, not curl hair, straight hair. So I make dress for Admoni had the curl hair for to look like an Arabic, because
I always had my curly hair, but people would call me sorcière in the street.
C'est vrai, you? Me
They call me in college. Well, in French colleges before high school, people would call. All of my friends would straighten their hair. Yeah. I kept my curly hair because I was lazy and I didn't want to straighten them. People in the street would be like sorcière. Witch.
Me, it was moi c'était le contraire. Moi, j'avais pas les cheveux raides, and I want to be another woman. I want to be a part of the community of I didn't know. So, and in my hood, I didn't know who I am, and it was my family my family gave me the balance, the equilibrium, the love. Who need Hasna, who need a woman, who need tout le monde, everybody. So for me it was the reject that the same feel from Hasna, from a lot of person, everybody, I think so.
And I think we can relate to what it is to be French Arab with multiple identities, and to grow up sometimes in the French system that sometimes asks you to choose one over the other. This is something, this struggle of belonging is something we can all relate to.
But parce que on a le cinéma tout. Le cinéma, c'est le reflet, it's a mirror of our country. And comment on dit même, even in my work, sometimes when I was young, because I started 20 years ago,
So
somebody told...
when you were 6?
Yeah, no, 13. Oh, yes. And somebody told me, you're not French, you're not Arabic, or you're nanani, nanana, and me, I didn't know who I am, who I supposed to be. I know I repeat it.
So who you are now?
Me, I'm صابرينا Razani, and I accept my everything I am, everything I came, Algeria, France, my culture, la richesse. So I am صابرينا Razani, an artist, libre, free, a free artist.
And capable to speak Arabic, French, English, everything.
I have to learn more. I have for that.
Spanish.
Spanish,
No?
Italiano.
عندي إيطاليانو.
Muna Soalem. I just feel what I am right now, and I think I'm. What am I? I don't know. It's such a big question.
A beautiful, smart woman.
Thank you.
J'ai bien dit smart, j'ai pas dit que belle.
C'est bien d'avoir placé les
Bien
deux.
sûr.
What about your next projects? I'm sure that you are preparing or something. You are working on some
Other projects? Me, I will be on the Netflix on December for a series, and I have the cinema was stopped in France because of COVID. So during 1 year, so 1 year and a half, so there is a lot of movie, and I have 3 movies to come. Qui va venir, qui va arriver. So next year I have 2 movies like Kung Fu Zora from Mabrouk El Meshri about women too, and you will see.
You?
I'll be in a mini-series called Ousekine, a French series for Disney Plus. So it will be on the platform Star Plus, Disney Plus in April, May of next year. That talks about an incident that happened in France in 1986, where a young French Algerian 22 years old student was beaten to death by the police, and I play one of his sister.
Anyway, you did both. All the team did a great job. I love the film. Thank you very much for your work, for your time, and for everything.
Thank you so much.
قولوا مع السلامة بالعربي.
السلامة.
السلامة.